In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Garmin watch to your Garmin Edge using extended display mode. This lets your Edge show data from your watch for a more complete ride experience. First, make sure both your Garmin watch and Edge device are powered on and within range. On your Garmin Edge, go to the Settings menu. Find and select Sensors or Sensor Settings. Choose Add Sensor and select Garmin Watch from the list if available. On your Garmin watch, enable broadcasting or pairing mode. This might be called broadcast heart rate or broadcast sensor. Your Edge will search for your watch. Once it finds it, select your watch to pair the devices. After pairing, enable extended display mode on your Edge so it can show your watch data like heart rate, power, and more. Test the connection by starting a ride and checking if your Edge displays the watch data correctly. If you run into issues, try restarting both devices and pairing again. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more cycling tech tips and tricks.